Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to block other person to share your stories on their story. So for this guys, you can follow this method. So first in the top right side corner you can get three lines. Just tap on it. From here you can get one settings gear icon. Just tap on it. Okay, in the settings guys, scroll down. Here you can get the stories option. Just tap on it, and here just tap on sharing options like this, and here you can get the option allow others to share your public stories to their own story. Just tap on it, and here if you want to block other person to share your stories on to their stories, just you need to select no option. That's it. Now it will save the settings. So this is the easy and very simple method to block other person to share your stories. So that's it for today guys. The short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.